Hey boys and girls, Christmas is almost here and we've got another shipment that we're going to be sending out to some of our happy customers, and Armin's going to tell you a little bit about some of the custom stuff that people have asked for. Go ahead.
Yeah, come here guys. So let's look at this one here first. This is a matte black version of our signature wheel. Sort of the same color that we're using to match the trim of the Cybertruck, which is down here. And then for the Cybertruck, right, we have our stainless steel and matte black, but one customer wanted to match his custom Cybertruck wrap. So we color match to the color code so that we have an all orange truck. I think we're gonna show in the future what that looks like. Really cool. And then also here we have a fully brushed signature wheel. If you go in here, Grace, it's a really cool situation how the light refracts off this wheel.
Very that cool. Was another custom as well, right?
Yeah, so here the customer actually wanted to hide the curb rash in case you ever get any. So it's just bare aluminum brushed with a clear coat over the top. Speaking of curb rash, we also have a curb rash program where when you opt in, buying signature wheels or any wheels that we offer, we will replace them for half off in case you ever need any new wheels, right? So usually when you want to replace wheels, you can refinish them, but it's never quite perfect. So this is probably the best thing you can do if you ever curb your wheels, but hopefully not. So then we have our standard signature wheel, 18 inches, the size everybody has been asking for. And with that, I think that's all we've had to bring you today. Do we want to do an outro?
Yeah. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Hanukkah, the whole ball of wax. See you next year, and get your order in if you need or want one by this year. You may be...
This year will be tough, but
yeah.
But next year for sure.
So. Yeah. Okay. We'll see you then. Thanks, Armin.
Happy New Year. Thank you, guys.
Happy New Year.